All right, guys, real quick here on the German Bund on Friday. You can see that this major red line in the sand was in play all day long. This is where a ton of traders got short. So you can see that every time we came back to it, the bulls would not let the bears get control of this market. They would rally it. So once again, just another feature of those lines in the sand. The primary focus of this video is going to be on these three cyan lines up here. And if you recall in the other video I made with the stacked orders, I told you how it's not just about that being a buy or sell signal, that those stacked orders will eventually come back and play a part as support or resistance. And sure enough, this was the short signal that we got, right? Yesterday or on Thursday. And you see I marked the three boxes where that short signal occurred with these three cyan lines, or I said you took about 3 ticks of heat and then it collapsed. Well, sure enough, the following day, what ends up happening, we come back up to that exact same spot and we retreat. We come up, we retreat. So those will remain in effect until they're taken out completely. There's no 3-day rule on those. All my other lines in the sand, typically, unless they continue to be in play big time, but typically the lines in the sand come off the chart after 3 days because their validity decreases exponentially. So that is major, and that is just another way that you can use those stacks for as a tool. And lastly, but not least, what did we have down here? A stack. And 2 at the bottom on top of that. So we knew it was going to be a big move. We knew it was going to be a decent sized move. So we had 2 reds down at the bottom. We knew that the bulls were exhausted. They could not push this thing down any longer, and they rallied it. And where did that stack occur? Right down here where all those shorts were on, where this red line in the sand is. So if you remember in the other videos that I made on the lines in the sand and also on the stacks, that if you get a stack that is within the confines of a major line in the sand, you know that you're onto something. So primary reason for this video, if you haven't seen the videos on the stacks, I recommend them. And that's all for now. Make sure you watch this a couple times, guys, because this is a powerful tool that I'm giving you. All right, later.